Around the world, there are numerous recipes with different tastes involving potato, the very well-known starchy food. Today is Father's Day. In the memory of my dear father, I'm going to share one of my favorite recipes mastered by him. It looks like French fries, but softer and juicier. To make it healthier, I also added my own twist. Ready? Let's go. Peel about 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes. Cut into 1/4 inch slabs. Feel free to determine the thickness of your own, but the key is to make the size consistent. Stack the slabs and cross-cut into sticks. Make sure to apply the same thickness. As for the length of the sticks, keep it at about 1 to 1.5 inches long. Next, soak the potato sticks in cold water to avoid oxidation and browning. Mince about 1/3 cup of garlic. Set aside. Rinse the potato sticks a little bit and drain and dump the water. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Mix well. Here comes my twist. Instead of pan frying the potato directly, I'm going to air fry the sticks first. 400 Fahrenheit, set for 20 minutes. After about 10 minutes done, pause, take the pan out, and flip the sticks. Then keep frying for another 5 minutes until browning. Depending on the amount of potato and the heat level of your air fryer, you may need to adjust the time. It is critical to keep checking on it. In a heated pan with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, add half of the garlic, stir fry until brown. Add all of the potato sticks in, mix a few times. One teaspoon of chicken base mixed with 1 tablespoon water, add in. Skip this step or replace it with 1 teaspoon of mushroom sauce for a vegetarian dish. Add in the rest of the garlic, stir fry for 10 more seconds. One teaspoon of red chili powder. Add a bit more water if it gets sticky. Mix a few times, switch off the heat. Add in some scallion rinse. Mix, it is ready. The dish is salty, soft, and very flavorful. You'll be surprised how tasty it is. Promised. Before we end today's episode, please like, comment, and subscribe. Lastly, wish every father a happy Father's Day. Thank you. See you next time.